Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to explore the linguistic diversity in our community. Language is more than just communication. It reflects our culture, identity, and traditions. In this video, we'll meet different people and discover the languages they speak, including Manobo, Ilonggo, and Kamayo. Let's get started. To better understand the languages in our community, we ask people about the languages they use in their daily lives and what these languages mean to them.
Madadyo na Edo iyo tigo, kanay na si Jesame Biyahan, 18 years old, lig-eskwela adi nito, Bunawan, Agusan del Sur. Kakorso po, so GTL Ed, major in Industrial Arts, first year.
What language or language do you speak?
So, ang usually nga language na among gigamit sa amo is sagol siya, Bisaya o Manubo. Tungod kay ang parents ko na ako is Bisaya ang ilang other side niya, ang other side is Manubo. Okay?
What is your mother tongue?
Manubo.
Can you say that one word to Manobo in English or Tagalog to Bisaya?
So, kung sa Manubo pa is Madadyaw no Masen Iyutibo. Kung sa Bisaya is maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
In Tagalog, sir.
In Tagalog kay in Tagalog is magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
In English,
In English is good morning.
good morning. Do you speak other languages?
Oo. Manubo, Bisaya, or Tagalog.
Alright.
Can you say a greetings in your language and tell us what it means?
So, kung sa Manubo pa is Madadyo no Masen Iyutibo. Kung sa Bisaya is maayong buntag sa inyong tanan.
Thank you.
Unsa imong sinultian, imong nabalaan nga sinultian te?
Ilunggo.
Kailain nabalaan nga sinultian te? Bisaya. Para sa imo te, nganong need man nga i-preserve ang inyong sinultian?
Baka mo na tawa na mo puro Ilonggo po o naman ito ba Ilonggo.
Nya. Unsa ang kanang maayong buntag sa inyo hate? Nga. Ilonggo. Maayong aga.
Madadyo na Edo Iyutibo, kanay na si Maria Lizelle Bernadette Cadranes, ligug paa diya pa Valentina sakop to Lapas, Agusan del Sur. Nag-eskwela akani to Bunawan, first year college student, GTL IE, 1B. What language? Ang language na akong sulti pag na ako sa among lugar is usually good is Manubo, then mix na po siya Bisaya kay na may ang akong parents mong good kay Bisaya, so di kayo siya kabalo mag Manubo. That's why mix ang among language, Manubo and Bisaya.
So, what is your mother tongue?
Ang among mother tongue good kay Manubo jud kay mao man ang among ginag-use sa among elementary na pag-eskwela.
So, do you speak other languages?
Yes, Tagalog, Bisaya, Manubo, and English.
Good.
Can you say greetings in your language and tell us what it means?
Madadyo na madatilom iyutibo in Bisaya, maayong hapon sa inyong tanan.
Thank you!
Our community is home to different languages: Bisaya, Ilonggo, Kamayo, and Manubo. Each language carries its own stories, traditions, and identity. Even when some words sound similar, every language is unique. Together, they show the richness of our culture and the diversity of our people. Through this project, we learned that language is not just about speaking, it is about belonging, identity, and culture. Let's continue to respect, preserve, and celebrate our languages. Thank you for watching. Once again, thank you. Salamat. Madamo gid nga salamat.